Imagine walking down a street you've never been on before, yet every detail feels familiar. The sounds, the sights, the atmosphere, all of it triggers an eerie sense of recognition that sends shivers down your spine. Welcome to the perplexing world of déjà vu, a mysterious mental sensation that has intrigued scientists and puzzled minds for centuries. Let's dive into the first layer of this enigma, the sensation itself. Déjà vu, a French term meaning already seen, is an experience that nearly everyone encounters at some point. It's that sudden, unshakable feeling that you have lived this exact moment before, despite knowing that it's impossible. This sensation is not just a fleeting curiosity, it grips you with a strange blend of familiarity and bewilderment. Why does this happen? Is it simply a glitch in our mental matrix, or is there something deeper at play? To unravel the mystery of déjà vu, we need to explore the brain's intricate memory systems. At the heart of this phenomenon lies the complex interplay between two critical components, familiarity and recollection. These are part of our declarative memory system, which helps us process and recall information about personal experiences and factual knowledge. The feeling of déjà vu is believed to occur when these systems become temporarily unsynchronized. Think of it as a hiccup in your brain's memory matrix. The hippocampus, a seahorse-shaped structure nestled within the temporal lobes, plays a pivotal role in memory formation and retrieval. It's like a librarian cataloging experiences and ensuring they're stored in the right memory shelf. Meanwhile, the entorhinal cortex acts as a bridge, connecting the hippocampus with other parts of the brain that process sensory and emotional information. When these regions misfire, you might experience that bizarre, otherworldly twinge of familiarity. But why does this misfire happen? Is there a way to predict when déjà vu will occur, or is it simply a random malfunction? Scientists have been feverishly exploring these questions for decades. One prominent theory suggests that déjà vu arises when the brain processes current experiences and past memories simultaneously. This overlap can create a momentary illusion of familiarity, even when the event is entirely new. It's like your brain playing a trick on you, blending the lines between the present and the past. The story doesn't end there. The neuroscience of déjà vu is a tapestry woven with multiple theories and studies, each offering tantalizing insights into this cognitive puzzle. Researchers have used everything from brain scans to psychological experiments to delve deeper into this bewildering sensation. One study found that déjà vu is more common in people with higher education and those with more active imaginations. This suggests that the phenomenon might be linked to neural networks responsible for creativity and problem-solving. Another intriguing hypothesis involves the temporal lobe epilepsy theory. Some scientists believe that small, benign seizures in the temporal lobe might trigger feelings of déjà vu. These seizures are not the violent convulsions often associated with epilepsy, but are subtle disturbances that temporarily disrupt the brain's normal functioning. This could explain why some people experience déjà vu more frequently or more intensely than others. Moreover, there is the dual processing theory, which posits that déjà vu occurs when there is a slight delay in the neural pathways that transmit information to the brain's conscious awareness. This delay might cause the brain to perceive an experience as both familiar and new at the same time, leading to the uncanny sensation of déjà vu. So, is déjà vu simply a byproduct of the brain's complex machinery, or is it a window into something more profound? These theories offer fascinating glimpses into the brain's inner workings, but they also raise more questions than they answer. Can déjà vu be replicated in a lab setting? Is it possible to pinpoint the exact neurological mechanisms that trigger this sensation? As research continues, scientists edge closer to unveiling the full story behind déjà vu, yet the mystery remains tantalizingly elusive. The world of déjà vu is a curious blend of science and mystery. It beckons us to delve deeper, to question the reliability of our memories and the very nature of our consciousness. Each déjà vu moment serves as a reminder of the brain's incredible yet fallible nature, inviting us to explore the hidden corridors of our mind. But what subconscious processes lie in wait, potentially triggering déjà vu without our conscious awareness? Could there be more beneath the surface than meets the eye? The answers to these questions may lie in the next layers of this intricate puzzle, as we venture further into the realm where memory, perception, and time converge. Stay with us as we unravel the subconscious threads that might trigger these mystical experiences, and explore real-life cases where memory glitches play a fascinating role. As we delve into the subconscious processes that might trigger déjà vu, we enter the shadowy realm of implicit memory and intuition. These elements operate beneath the surface of our conscious awareness, influencing our perceptions and decisions without us even realizing it. Implicit memory, unlike its explicit counterpart, consists of skills and knowledge we've acquired subconsciously. Think of it as the autopilot of your mind. It's responsible for knowing how to ride a bike or type on a keyboard without consciously recalling each step. Intuition, on the other hand, is the gut feeling or instinct that guides us through the foggy corridors of uncertainty. When these subconscious processes align with our explicit memory systems, they might inadvertently create the sensation of déjà vu. Picture this: you're visiting a new city, and suddenly you feel like you've been down this particular street before. Perhaps the layout or a combination of scents and sounds unconsciously remind you of a different place you've actually visited in the past. Your brain, in its quest for efficiency, tries to make sense of this overlap by conjuring the eerie feeling of familiarity associated with déjà vu. This interplay between subconscious cues and conscious recognition blurs the lines between reality and memory, crafting an experience both mystifying and profound. To further illuminate how these memory glitches manifest in the real world, let's dive into some intriguing cases. Take, for instance, the story of a young man who began experiencing frequent and intense déjà vu episodes during a particularly stressful period in his life. Upon investigation, it was discovered that his episodes were closely linked to anxiety and sleep deprivation, which are known to disrupt normal brain function. In this case, the déjà vu wasn't just a random occurrence but a symptom of underlying neurological stress. This real-life example hints at how emotional and physical states can exacerbate or even trigger déjà vu experiences, offering a fascinating glimpse into the delicate balance of our mental process. Another notable case involved a woman who reported déjà vu sensations every time she was near a body of water. It turns out, these instances were tied to deeply buried memories of her childhood, where she spent countless hours playing by a lake. This suggests that déjà vu can sometimes serve as a bridge between forgotten memories and present experiences, subtly revealing how our past continually shapes our present. Through these stories, we see how déjà vu acts as a portal, momentarily opening a window into the hidden archives of our subconscious mind. These cases underscore the enigmatic nature of déjà vu and how it challenges our understanding of time and memory. When déjà vu strikes, it momentarily distorts our perception of time, making the present feel as if it's already etched in the annals of the past. This temporal confusion challenges the linear narrative we typically associate with time, inviting questions about the fluidity of our temporal experience. Is time truly a straight line, or is it a tapestry of moments intricately woven together, accessible at different layers of our consciousness? As we reflect on these questions, we find ourselves pondering the reliability of memory itself. Déjà vu exposes the imperfections in our cognitive machinery, a reminder that our memories are not infallible recordings but rather reconstructions subject to distortions and omission. It challenges us to consider the role of memory in shaping our identity, our reality, and our understanding of the world. If our memories can play tricks on us, how much of what we recall is truly accurate, and how much is a fabricated blend of real and imagined experiences? In the face of these mysteries, déjà vu invites us to embrace the complexities of our mind rather than shy away from them. It encourages us to explore the boundaries of consciousness, to question the nature of reality, and to accept that not all puzzles are meant to be solved definitively. Each déjà vu moment serves as a fleeting brush with the unknown, a reminder that the universe and our place within it may be far more intricate than we dare to imagine. As we conclude our exploration of déjà vu, we invite you to remain curious and open to the wonders of the mind. Remember that each déjà vu experience is a unique opportunity to glimpse the deeper workings of your brain, a chance to ponder the enigma of existence. If you've enjoyed this journey into the realm of dark psychology and human behavior, subscribe to our channel for more insights and explorations into the secrets of the mind. Together, we can continue to unravel the mysteries that lie within us all.